Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're coming to you live from beautiful Atlantic City on a beautiful day here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Okay, I made that up. We're not live. It's recorded, but hey, let's just pretend. Today we're heading back to a favorite of many of you, the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I plan on heading back to Tropicana very shortly, perhaps even today as this video is being uploaded, to do a video on Chicky and Pete's, the sports bar here at the Tropicana. I plan on sitting outside and doing a video out there. We're walking by Chicky and Pete's right now, and that's where I plan to sit at one of these tables and try some of those crab dishes that they serve and have a nice cold brew. Hopefully it'll be a nice day. But that's coming up on another day. Today we're here to check out the inside of the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I've been looking for suggestions from you guys of things out of the ordinary to do here in Atlantic City, and you've come up with some great suggestions, and that's what I'm doing in town today. In the next, I guess the next week or so, I'll be checking out a lot of stuff and videotaping, including Gardner's Basin here, and maybe going on a cruise. Brigantine, which is the city just a little bit north of here, beautiful shore town. Visit the Playground Pier, which is mostly empty, but still, I think it would make a good video. There's a beautiful lighthouse here, as well as an aquarium, and lots to do. There's an air show coming next week, and a lot to do. So a lot of activity going on in Atlantic City, and I plan on covering a lot of it. Anyway, here we are. Let's stop off at the bottom floor first, shall we, and work our way up. So the downstairs here at Tropicana Hotel and Casino is called the Marketplace, and there's a couple of shops and a lot of casual restaurants down here that some of them even open up to the beach. And even if you're not staying here at the Trop, if you're outside on a hot day and you want to come in from the boardwalk and cool off a little bit, this is a great place to stop in. You can pick up some ice cream or a slice of pizza or even a cold beer and even do some gambling. There's some slot machines down here as well. No table games, but there are slot machines down here as well. It's a great place to just stop in for a few moments and cool off. And hey, we're in Atlantic City, so if you're outside and it's cold out, it's a great place to come in and get a nice hot coffee or a hot cocoa. And I mentioned there's no table games. Of course, I meant down here at the Marketplace. Tropicana obviously has table games upstairs in their main casino. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Some of the places to grab a quick bite here at the Marketplace include Casa Taco and Tequila Bar, Chicky and Pete's, which is located not only on the casino level but also down here in the Marketplace, and they do have outdoor seating, known as actually one of the best sports bars in the country. Hooters is down here. They also have outdoor dining. Perry's Pizza, Tony Luke's, who's known for their cheesesteaks. Of course, there's a Starbucks down here, a premium ice cream parlor, a place called Going Nuts, which serves a lot of gourmet roasted nuts, a green bar, which is a juice bar. There's the Marketplace Express, which is pretty much a coffee and donuts kind of place, or coffee and pastry. A Damn Good Deli is down here. The Fiesta Buffet, which is currently closed, as with most Caesar buffets. Caesar's not too quick in opening their buffets right now. But the Fiesta Buffet is down here, as well as the Seaside Cafe, which is right next to the buffet, and it is also closed. And there's some shops down here as well, including this James's, which serves up some saltwater taffy, some homemade fudge, ice cream, and macaroons. I buy most of my saltwater taffy from Amazon, actually, and have it delivered to the house, but when I'm in Atlantic City, I just can't help but grab a couple handfuls before I leave town. So that's pretty much it for the marketplace downstairs. We headed upstairs here, and we're under this rotunda with the fountain, and we're kind of like at the crossroads where the casino meets the quarter. The quarter being a big shopping area here at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino, as well as some more upscale restaurants. This is Tango's, a cocktail lounge here, a really nice one at the Tropicana. It's a great place to hook up with friends, being that it's centrally located right between the casino and the quarter. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Heading into the marketplace now, some of the shops here include America, Mrs. Fields, of course there's a Starbucks here, A Time for Wine, aka Boardwalk Corner Store, Irwin Pearl, Francesca's Collection, Hat Emporium, Havana Sundries, James's Saltwater Taffy, they have one downstairs also, Lick, the candy store, Marcel Rousseau, Step Up, Swarovski, Talk of the Walk, Time After Time, Toomey, Tropicana Lobby Market, White House Black Market, and the Zephyr Gallery. The quarter is not only home to some nice shopping, but they also have some restaurants up here. It's casual, but a little bit more formal than what you'd find downstairs at the marketplace. There's a Golden Dynasty here serving up Mandarin cuisine. There's a Cuba Libre restaurant and rum bar serving up authentic Cuban. There's a Broadway Burger bar here, known not only for burgers, but also crazy over-the-top milkshakes. There's a Carmen's, a personal favorite, serving up some family-style Italian favorites. And a P.F. Chang's, I'm sure you've all heard of P.F. Chang. They serve up some Chinese and Pan-Asian. This is a Tinia gourmet food and marketplace. They used to have a hot food bar as well as a cold food bar in here. That's gone away since COVID and it hasn't come back yet, but still a great place to visit. Lots of gourmet items in here and hard to find food items. If you happen to be staying at the Havana Tower, whose elevators are right here, it's a great place to come down to pick up some snacks and perhaps a bottle of wine at a time for Wine, which is right next door. And now we're going to head upstairs from the quarter to the mezzanine level of the Havana Tower, which has some yet even more restaurants as well as some clubs. Hold on tight. Just a shot of the restaurants here at the quarter downstairs from up here at the mezzanine level. And the Tropicana Hotel and Casino is home to a IMAX theater. This is Anthem. It bills itself as Atlantic City's premier nightlife experience. It's open Friday through Sunday, 10 to close. And on our left we have a Damn Good Sports Bar, not to be confused with a Damn Good Deli, which was all the way downstairs at the marketplace. Another shot of the quarter downstairs. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. This is Kiss Kiss, a nightclub. It serves pretty much as a comedy shop right now. Atlantic City Jokes Comedy Club performs here live at the Kiss Kiss nightclub. The schedule's kind of spotty, so give them a call and find out when the shows are, and they have apparently a good lineup of a lot of New York City comedians here. But again, it's not just a comedy club, there's also DJs and dancing as well. Sorry, but it seems like every time I'm on a bridge or an overpass, I just need to take the shot below. And again, we're looking down on the quarter right now. This is Rira, one of my favorite Irish pubs. Great fish and chips here. Sometimes they have live music, other times it's kind of like a Irish sports bar, if you will. I really like Rira. There's also one in Las Vegas. I believe it's at the shops at the Mandalay Bay. I've never eaten at that one. Years ago, I worked for a company who had their business meetings here, 2 or 3 day business meetings, and it was always at the Tropicana. The conference rooms are straight ahead, as a matter of fact, and in the evening, for some reason or another, we all ended up at Rira. Those doors in front of us, by the way, lead directly to the parking garage. By the way, did I mention the Tropicana has a casino? Well, it does. Obviously, you knew that. I'd get to it eventually, wouldn't I? And there's Chicky and Pete's. I should be enjoying something good on the boardwalk there right about when this video uploads. So think of me while you're watching this. And that's pretty much it for the Tropicana. I missed a lot of stuff here, but the video's running long already. We're closing in on 18 or 19 minutes. And obviously the place is big and there's a lot more to cover. So I will cover it in another video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. What'd you think of the Tropicana? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.